feeding time at the zoo here. 4 dogs.
What have I got?
Oh, look at that, Leo's jumping. Make him jump, Shelley. Hey, Leo, what do we got, mate? We've got some food.
What have I got?
Woo, woo. Hey, Leo.
This is as
Pass me a bone, Shelley.
This is as
And
much
where's April? Look at April, she's
athletic
lovely.
Leonard gets.
This is April. Hang on, wait, Shelley. Leo, Lisbeth, or Lizzie, and Benjamin, aka Gorgeous George. Here we go. Give me that one. Oh no, I don't want. Make Leo jump up for it, Shelley.
Leo, jump.
Hold it. Hey.
Okay, wait.
There we go.
Now,
Oh, he's
what's
very
gentle,
happy.
Lizzie?
He's
What's
very
gentle?
happy.
Gentle. Da. Good girl. Gorgeous George can have the big one.
There you go, mate. April. She's right. There we go. 4 dogs. Oh, she's not a dog. That's my wife. Sorry. That was a creepy laugh. All right. Very good. Shoo!